Hello APPSC aspirants. We have a very good news for all of you. Andhra Pradesh Public Service Commission recruitment, and in this recruitment they are going to have two posts. One is about assistant engineers, environmental department. Second one is polytechnic lecturers. So our long wait come to an end. Notifications are coming from APPSC and application dates also started. You must be ready to start, gear up your preparation. So now APPSC Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh Public Service Commission. So they have given information that polytechnic lecturers notification is issued 21st December. Applications are from 29th today till 18th February. Examination must be within April or May. So polytechnic lecturers today only started application. Notification given 21st December. Then online application end date is February 18th. Very important post. Assistant Environmental Engineers, AP Pollution Control Board. AP Pollution Control Board, Assistant Environmental Engineers. Notification given in December 26th. Tomorrow it is going to start. 30th January is application starting date. From tomorrow application is going to be accepted. End date is 19th February. So your exam will be within April or May. Regarding the two posts, we have a detailed analysis. How to prepare, how to apply, what are the number of posts, what are the reservations, what are the vacancies. In this video we will discuss in detail. Stay tuned. And another good news for other state students. Any state student can apply for these posts. There is a reservation for any state students. You can apply for these posts. So previously for some posts other state students are not eligible to apply. So any state student can apply for this Assistant Environmental Engineers in AP Pollution Control Board. Before going to talk detailedly, so we are having SSC JEE State AE English subscription. Already we have launched the course. 3-4 subjects completed and new batch is going to start. I am going to start with building material. In this new batch, I am going to start with building material. Now Republic Day offer is going on. You can get a 15 months subscription for just 8,041 rupees. 28 months subscription for 11,250. So you can use our universal code KP Civil and start learning from best educators in India. Myself and Rajendra Prasad sir will finish all the technical syllabus for you. Amit Vijay is going to deal with general awareness and general studies. That will help you a lot to crack your dreams of state AE, AEE. Whatever state exams, whatever SSC JEE exams. So our Unacademy platform English category is having the most experienced teachers. No doubt about it. So we are launching new course as I told you already. Building material. Already few subjects are completed and now we are gearing up with building material from 31st January onwards and it is at 11 AM. Now the students' question. Start sir, start about notification, talk about notification. Yes, I am coming for it only. So we are going to talk about first Assistant Environmental Engineer in AP Pollution Control Board. Total number of vacancies are 21. APCB, APPCB, Andhra Pradesh Pollution Control Board, Andhra Pradesh Pollution Control Board, APPCB. Total number of vacancies are 21. Total number of vacancies are 21. This is assistant engineer post, AE. AE, assistant environmental engineer, very important. Assistant environmental engineer, AE, in APPCB. Out of 21, 10 posts are given for OC, 2 for EWS, 2 for BCA, 2 for BCB, 2 for BCD, 2 for BCE, 3 for SC. Total 21. Then horizontal reservation are provided, 3 for OC women, 1 for EWS women, 1 for SC women, 1 for BCA women. Means out of this 10, we can write now women category posts. Women category 3, EWS 1, SC 1, BCA 1. These posts are given for women category. And women can be capable, they can apply individually also under general category, no problem. Persons with benchmark disability 1 under notified categories. Now, the scheme of examination, before we are going to talk about all the information, first we talk about the scheme of examination. Scheme of examination. So there are 2 stages of examination. First one, stage 1, 3 papers are there. Every engineering student must write all the 3 papers. Objective type degree standard examination. Every engineering student must write the same. General studies and mental ability, 150 questions, 150 minutes, 150 marks. Then respective branch related civil, mechanical, chemical, environmental. 4 branch engineering students are eligible for it. Civil, mechanical, chemical, environmental engineering students. Your respective branch wise syllabus test, technical syllabus test. 150 questions, 150 minutes, 150 marks. Common for all. Paper 1, paper 2 is paper 3. Paper 1 and paper 3 are common. This is a technical paper as per branch specific. But paper 1 and paper 3 are common for both. Any branch students. Environmental science and technology, 150 marks, 150 questions, 150 minutes duration. So when you consider the general studies mental ability, see the syllabus of paper 1. It talks with major current events, issues pertaining to international, national, states of Andhra Pradesh, means everything, general studies, current affairs. General science and technology. So this is current affairs. In simple, this is current affairs. This is general science and technology. History of India, entire Indian history you need to study. And also you must focus on some political aspects of AP and national movement. Geography of India as well as AP, both you have to focus. Indian polity and governance, means as of now, current affairs, science and technology, history, geography, polity, followed by economy and planning. Nearly similar to SSCJE syllabus, but more focus on AP related aspects. The aspirants, engineering aspirants who are already preparing for Group 1, Group 2 services, for them this will be easy. But those engineering aspirants still know who focused on technical syllabus only. For them, it will be a difficult task to finish the entire syllabus as early as possible. Sustainable development and environmental protection. This play a big role because your job is environmental engineer. They are going to ask you more questions even in GS also. 7 and 8 category, disaster management. Because the role of environmental engineer is regarding environmental protection, disaster protection and all these things. And now these 2 are related to general awareness, reasoning, analytical ability, logical interpretation, data analysis. All this is about general awareness. So this 10 include entire general studies syllabus as it is whatever you are preparing for SSC JEE. Current affairs, science and technology, history, geography, polity, economy. Along with that, whatever you are preparing for group 1, group 2 services, same general studies, nearly similar, but a level bit lesser than questions. So method of preparation, mode of general studies preparation is similar to all other exams. But when you compare it to the regular group 1, group 2, here maybe the questions will be somewhat easier questions. 150 questions in total, 150 questions, 150 marks. Each question carry 1 mark. 150 minutes. 150 questions, 150 marks, 150 minutes. So paper 2 civil engineering. Paper 2 civil engineering as similar to technical syllabus of GATE paper. So most of the subjects are similar to, as it is when you consider, it is similar to technical aspects or technical syllabus of GATE paper only. It is nothing new over here. So it includes fluid mechanics, strength of material. It includes geotechnical engineering, hydrology, irrigation, everything. We'll talk about this. See. So this is given here. Analysis of structures, structural design. See this one. So in analysis of structures, they are talking about engineering mechanics, strength of material, structural analysis. In structural design, when you see the syllabus, they are talking about RCC, concrete technology, RCC design and working stress method. Then coming to next, fluid mechanics, hydraulic missions also included FMHM. And that itself included open channel flow also. See, very clearly written. Viscous flow, laminar flow through circular pipes, turbulent flow in pipes, velocity distribution, flow measurement, velocity measurement, discharge measurement, orifice, notches and weirs, hydraulic mission, turbines and pumps. Everything included fluid mechanics and hydraulic machinery. Water resources engineering. In this, they included open channel flow. Study flow through open channels written. Here study flow through open channels, Chagy, Manning's equation, specific energy, critical depth. In the water resource engineering, they have mentioned regarding open channel flow. Hydrologic cycle, hydrologic data, it is completely about hydrology, no irrigation here. Nothing mentioned anything about irrigation over here. Then after that, surveying. After surveying, they are asking about geotechnical. So physical properties, identification, classification, permeability, seepage, lateral earth pressure, retaining walls, bearing capacity, shallow foundation, included machine foundations, well foundations also. So transportation engineering included railways also, track components. Environmental, same water supply and sanitary engineering. But here they have not given air pollution, solid waste management. The reason being, we have another paper, na? Environmental Science and Technology paper. In that environmental science and technology paper, they talk about that solid waste management and air pollution. That is why they have neglected there. Now it is coming here. Environmental Science and Technology paper, paper number 3. So in paper 2, you have all subjects, FMHM, complete fluid mechanics, hydraulic machinery, water resources engineering, where they have mentioned open channel flow, hydrology, no irrigation included over here, no irrigation included over here, no BMC, surveying is there, and they said structural analysis, which include EM, SM, structural analysis. And they said about design. In that design, they mentioned about RCC steel. RCC steel. And coming back to environmental include only water supply engineering, wastewater engineering. No air pollution, no solid waste management. Water supply engineering, wastewater engineering. Transportation full is there, no changes. Transportation full is there. Surveying full is there, no BMC. So all subjects related to technical civil engineering paper, and most of the times all the subjects given under headings equal weightage. Don't think that one subject can give more marks, less another subject can get less marks. Even though the job is related to environmental engineer, when coming to paper 2, equal weightage will be there, because there is a separate paper for environmental. Please understand. 150 question, 150 marks, 150 minutes now. Each minute you need to answer one question. So level of question will be similar to AE JE level, no doubt about it. But don't think environmental have more weightage, water subjects have more weightage. Structures also have same weightage, surveying also have same weightage, geotechnical engineering also have same weightage, equal weightage. Why? Because we have the paper environmental science and technology. So in this they can incorporate all questions related to environmental. Okay. And this is an advantage. Out of 21 posts, all are eligible: civil, mechanical, chemical, environmental. So this is an advantage for students who are from civil engineering background. Why? Because we studied environmental engineering for GATE and ESC. We studied for SSC, JE and AP exams also. So lot of syllabus is covered, and that will be utilizable here. I will show you very clearly. I will show you. So first one is ecosystem biodiversity. So for every student it is common. They have not yet come across in their engineering degree. So you have to study newly. Natural resources, water resources, mineral resources, forest resources. This is a part. Ecosystem biodiversity and natural resources. For those engineering services exam prepared, ESC prelims GS paper. ESC prelims GS paper, there is a paper called energy and environment. In that energy and environment that will be there, this will be helpful for them. Now, environmental pollution and control. Classification of pollution, causes, effects and control technologies. So air pollution, secondary and primary pollutants, automobile, industrial pollution, ambient air quality standards, global warming, climate change, ozone depletion. All this is our air pollution concept as it is we studied. We studied for SSC, JE, State AE, GATE, ESC as it is, nothing new. Again a new syllabus. Environmental initiative, recent international initiative, Kyoto Protocol. Protocols are there. Conventions to tackle climate change. So this is completely new. So actually I thought to give some YouTube videos on this. I want to make some new videos on this for AP state, not only for AP state, even that will help for all BPSC aspirants also. BPSC aspirants are having sanitary engineer job. For that also it is helpful. And some state environmental engineering jobs also that will be helpful. ESC GS paper also that will be helpful. I will come up with some videos on this environmental initiatives. Next, water pollution, resources, types. This is our water supply engineering. Please understand. This is our water supply engineering. What we study in environmental engineering. Same. Sources and type. Then this is about solid waste management. Solid waste management, 1 minute. This one. The 2 lines, solid waste, municipal solid waste management, composition. This one are there na? This one are there na? 1 minute. I will write very clearly, I will show you. Solid waste, municipal solid waste management, composition, characteristics, e-waste and its management. All this comes under solid waste management. we studied that much detailedly about the solid waste. I have done a special course in Unacademy Plus regarding solid waste management. So you come across that course of 25 hours exclusive solid waste management, you can answer any question of solid waste management in any exam. That will help you a lot. And these 3 lines, these are wastewater engineering. This one also wastewater engineering. So for the civil engineering students, I can give numbers. New ecosystem and biodiversity, natural resources, environmental initiatives. The last one, 4th one, environmental policy legislation EIA. Out of 100% syllabus, only 60% syllabus is same, 40% only difficult. New. Whatever you studied in environmental engineering, water supply engineering, wastewater engineering, air pollution, solid waste management, covered this environmental science and technology paper 60%. Only 40% new from general studies paper you have to study. What is that 40%? Ecosystem biodiversity, natural resources, environmental initiative. 4th one, environmental policy legislation and EIA. Only these 4 are new for you. Remaining all are as per your regular pattern of environmental, water supply, wastewater, air pollution. So it is like a catwalk for you. So don't worry about this paper 3. You have to worry about paper 1, general studies, mental ability. Paper 2 as it is our regular syllabus, technical syllabus only. So you need to focus more on general studies to get good marks. Competition is very tough because it is a statewide notification, not regional notification. And the next, computer proficiency test will be there. In computer proficiency test, practical type of test, 60 minutes duration, maximum marks of 100, minimum for SC, ST 30, BC 35, OC 45. So computer type proficiency test, it is after you cracked that, after you finished stage 1, paper 1, paper 2, paper 3, all 3 papers successfully completed, you shortlisted candidates are allowed for computer proficiency test. In that computer proficiency test, 20% of total marks are based on MCQ. Then remaining 80% is a computer assessment. They ask you to make a document, word art, inserting images on a preparing, organizing document, a word. Next, based on typing speed, based on different objects, organizing and inserting different objects in the image. Excel sheet preparation, PowerPoint presentation. These are the basic tools. Now, Word, Excel, PowerPoint presentation, different objects inserting. So this is when you have completed successfully the 3 papers, you got shortlisted. After that, you have to prepare for computer proficiency test, not before that. So now when we see the syllabus for computer proficiency test, it is very clearly mentioned the part A, part B syllabus. Introduction to computers, basics of computers, computer software types, operating system, Windows operating system, Linux, Mac OS basic concepts, inter concepts. All are required only, they are clearly mentioned only basic. Electronic mail, email, World Wide Web, www, basic concepts. But basically you are preparing a project report or you are preparing a lab report in as an environmental engineer. So you need to have some good knowledge of MS Office, Office suite. So you must know all the file operation, getting started with Office, file operations in Office, tools in Office application. Means Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and all the things related to basic PowerPoint presentation, spreadsheet, MS Excel, Linux, data, everything you must understand very clearly. They mentioned it is only regarding basics. They talk only regarding basics. So coming to the notification, when we talk the details regarding notification, the details of notification is given very clearly. It is a direct recruitment for the post of assistant environmental engineer, and it is starting from 30 January to 19th February, start date and end date. 30th January to 19th February, start date and end date. You go through this website, psc.ap.gov.in, you can start registering yourself. Written examination will be conducted in the month of April or May. April 2024, May 2024. So before you are going to apply in the portal, first you have to do one-time profile registration. Those candidates previously not applied for APPSC, those candidates applying first time, you can go for one-time profile registration. After that only OTP verification will come, SMS verification will come, email verification will come. SMS and email verification will come. Once you confirmed and your profile is successfully registered, then only you are capable of applying for these posts, APPSC posts. So we discussed already. Coming to educational qualification. So educational qualification as per date of the notification. What is the date of notification? I show you already. What is date of notification? Date of notification I have shown you already. See, this is the date of notification, 26th December. 26th December is the date of notification. So you must acquire your educational qualification 26th December 2023. Before it. Not after 26th December 2023. If you are getting your degree, not eligible to apply. Before it only you have to eligible to apply. And the eligibility is a bachelor's degree in civil, mechanical, chemical, environmental engineering from any recognized university. No problem. And now, computer proficiency test will be carried out based on the main examination. Paper 1, Paper 2, Paper 3 completed based on the main examination. Shortlisted candidates allowed for computer proficiency test. Understand? If he qualified computer proficiency test only very clearly, no candidate shall be eligible for appointment until unless she can qualify the computer proficiency test. Only he qualified a computer proficiency test, then only he is eligible to apply. And the age relaxation and everything also possible as per reservation norms. So all things will be possible as per reservation norms, as per government criteria. Everything age relaxations will be possible. See, minimum 18 years, maximum 42 years. As on 1/7/2023. Age criteria will be considered from up to as on 1/7/2023. Means the person should be greater than 18 years, less than 42 years as on 1/7/2023. And 5 years age relaxation for SC, ST, BC and EWS. 10 years age relaxation for persons with benchmark disability. Then remaining as it is as per normal. So you can apply through APPSC website portal. Fee details. Applicant must pay 250 rupees towards the application fees, processing fees, and 120 rupees as a examination fees. Total you have to pay 370, 250 rupees as application fees, 120 rupees as exam fees. Some categories are exempted from 250 rupees, they can pay 120 only. Who? Again, SC, ST, BC, PBD, ex-servicemen. These people are SC, ST, PBD, BC, ex-servicemen. These people are exempted from 250, they can pay only 120. Okay. Then mode of payment will be online, no problem. Scheme of examination. Scheme of examination. Already we discussed it in the beginning. Centers will be announced later. You don't take more tension. Procedure of selection. First you need to clear all the 3 papers. Paper 1, Paper 2, Paper 3. Minimum cutoff. For OC 40%, BC 35%, SC, ST, PBD 30%. Means every paper you have to get minimum. Paper 1 40%, paper 2 40%, paper 3 40% for OCs. And after that you are eligible to be considered for shortlisting. For example, you are getting paper 1 80%, paper 2 80%, paper 3 only 10%. No. Individually you have to be shortlisted cut-off marks based on the general minimum qualifying marks. So that you have to qualify at every stage and you can get, this is minimum qualifying. After that, shortlisting based on the merit, based on how many number of total marks you are getting based on the merit, shortlisting will be going on. Okay. So guys, this is an excellent opportunity. Don't think number of posts are less, but every student will feel like you only. Every student will consider like you only, number of posts are very less. Shall we apply or not? So like that, every student are take it easy, but don't take it easy. Try and try and try until you achieve your success. Because one day your hard work is going to be paid off. So you are working, you are preparing since a long time. One day your hard work is going to pay off. Don't stop or don't leave your preparation. And here our motto is to make the students to target and achieve their success. Always we are here to support you. Anytime we are with you. So guys, let's crack it. Achieve the job, Sarkari Naukari, government job. Very important, as I told. This assistant engineer environmental post is eligible for any state category. And those students who have been migrated, those who are migrated from Telangana to AP during bifurcation period, they will be considered as a local category students. Those who transferred from Telangana to AP, I read it somewhere, during certain period they will be considered as a local candidate. So that depending upon your transfer migration, but you need to give authority, local authority certificates and everything you have to be given. Then only you will be considered as a local category. And for remaining all other category, other state students, you should compete for 1 or 2 posts out of 21. Only 1 or 2 posts are eligible for all other category students. Okay. So we are launching new batches in Unacademy. SSC JE, State AE, myself, Rajendra Prasad sir and Amit Vijay sir are dealing with all subjects. And recently, most of our students got selected in JKPSC. Most of our students selected in CPCB, Scientist B, and Assam Public Service Commission, and also SSC JE. We are here to support you anytime. Recommend our courses to your friends, juniors who are preparing. Let's crack it, guys.